Definitely in 21st century, everybody has a smartphone, and this smartphone contains a lot of essential data. And what if you need a tool to recover the lost data, or you need a tool to unlock your device if it's stuck, and a lot of other features. Today in this video, I want to share with you one-stop complete mobile solution, Dr.Fone from Wondershare. Fantastic tool that is absolutely insane. And in this video, I want to show you how it works. I want to show you how it can help you if you have some issues with your phone. It works both with Android and iOS. Later in this video, I'm going to show you the interface of the system and how it works. What can you do with this? But in general, this is a fantastic tool that will let you to make everything that you need with your smartphone or with your tablet. And there are tons of interesting features. For example, Phone Manager, you can transfer data between iOS, Android, personal computer, iTunes, and all in one spot. This is absolutely fantastic. Phone Backup, that is really faster, much faster than to back up your phone via iTunes. And even Screen Mirror, you can control your mobile device on any Windows PC using this tool, and this is also absolutely great. Definitely one of my favorite options is WhatsApp transfer. You can transfer all the data from your WhatsApp to your personal computer and back. Also, there's a function of data recovery. If you've lost something or some applications deleted some information from your device, doesn't matter again, Android or iOS, you can recover the data. You can jump to previous versions of the software and so on. System repair, also very useful. Phone transfer, you can totally transfer all the data from your for example, old device to your new device. And even you can transfer the data from iOS to Android and from Android to iOS. This is absolutely cool. If you want to sell your phone, you can use the data eraser that completely erases all the things that you have on your mobile phone. And there's a password manager. So we're not going to talk to the official website. Let's jump in, and I'm going to show you how this product works and how this tool can help you straight from your computer. That's how it looks from inside. We're inside of Dr.Fone. There's a toolbox, and again, what are the functions? Screen unlock. You can remove all types of lock screen. Unlock Apple ID, it safely removes your iPhone lock screen activation lock and so on, and helps you to regain full access to your device. You can remove MDM, bypass MDM, and bypass Samsung FRP without a PIN or Google account, and that's fantastic. Virtual location, also really convenient feature when you need to switch on another GPS location. It's like fake GPS, and if somebody's watching you or somebody has an access to your GPS, you can misfit this information with fake GPS location. That's cool. It has also the joystick to simulate the GPS movement, and you can create the movement, you can create the route, and it will show on a map your virtual location. WhatsApp transfer, and so on. WhatsApp backup and restore, data recovery from your phone, Android, Google Drive data, iOS data, and even it recovers data from iCloud and iTunes. This is absolutely fantastic. Phone transfer, one click. For example, if you are tired with Android, you want to jump to iOS, you can make that happen with this tool, just literally in one click, and it supports all kind of data types. So it will transfer in the version that supports, that your new device supports. System repair, also absolutely fantastic tool. And if you want to sell your phone, for example, and you don't want somebody to recover your information, there's anti-recovery repair that cleans up your device totally. There's password manager. Also, it find Wi-Fi passwords in your iPhone and iPad, restore your apps and website login passwords, and you will never miss any mail passwords if you do that. Data eraser, if you want to permanently delete all the things on your phone, you can you need to clean it up. That's absolutely possible. So let's jump. I've connected. It supports iOS 17, 16, and so on. And I found the old iPhone 7, and it supports iPhone 7 also. And this is great. If you have like old version of device, it will also work with an old version of device. And look, what do we have here? Just connect it to the proper phone. You can back up device totally. There's a phone companion to install to your device. You can export all data, like Cloud Manager, the converter of the HEIC files. There's Ringtone Maker, quick transfer. You can drop files from and to your phone, iTunes library, data eraser, screen unlock, WhatsApp transfer, and there's a toolbox. Even there's screen mirroring, and this is also one of my favorite features. Now I'm connecting the phone, and I want to show you this feature straight from here. Just I'm gonna press start broadcast, and here you go. Like, it's screen mirroring, and everything that I'm making on this phone is absolutely doubled on my PC, and this is really cool. So you can get access to your device from different spots in the world, from any computer that you have. So we have a couple options how to connect your device to computers via the Wi-Fi or via the cable, USB cable. And this is really convenient. So if you have some issues with your phone, definitely this tool is absolutely insane to help you with anything that you need. So make sure to check out the link in the description panel of this video, because this tool is really hot. It has tons of useful features, and definitely it will be handy if you have some issues with your phone, because this is really one-stop complete mobile solution. Guys, make sure to check out, because this is really powerful tool that will let you to manage your phone as you need. Make sure to check it out to be sure that it is suitable for your own purposes. Thanks y'all that watched this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this information was useful. See ya in the next video. Bye bye.